What is a roundabout? How do I use one? Roundabouts are new to Davenport, and our first intersection to have one is now open at Veterans Memorial Parkway and Jersey Ridge Road. A roundabout is a circular intersection where all traffic flows in the same direction to reduce congestion and create a safer environment for drivers, pedestrians, and bicyclists. Thanks to fewer points of impact and due to the slower speed of vehicles traveling through the intersection, roundabouts have been proven to significantly reduce serious and fatal collisions. In addition, roundabouts can handle higher traffic volumes and reduce delays as drivers are able to yield rather than stopping at a red light or stop sign. Following these basic steps will help you safely navigate a roundabout. As you approach, slow down and look for signs to help you select what lane to be in based on whether you want to turn right, go straight through, or make a left turn. Choose your lane and signal just as you would at a regular intersection. Be sure to yield to any pedestrians in the entry crosswalk. Look to the left and yield to all traffic in the roundabout. If you see any large vehicles, like a semi or fire truck, wait until they have passed through the intersection. Enter when it is safe to do so and stay in your lane until your exit. Signal right to exit the roundabout and yield to pedestrians in the exit crosswalk. Thank you for your consideration and stay safe, Davenport.